Hello, I'm David. In this video, we are going to share what we found to be the most popular rides at Disney World's Magic Kingdom Park, in Orlando, Florida. If you have been to Disney before, you know that there are many great rides. If you have never been to Disney, that is okay too. This list of Disney rides will give you an idea of what rides you should try to get on when you do visit Disney World. You also should know that the top ride list will be different for everyone. What we did to compile this list is researched what theme park influencers thought, theme park blogs were saying, and what park guests were sharing with us when it comes to the top Magic Kingdom rides. We noticed that there were a few rides that were on everyone's favorite list. So let's dive in, and see what those top Magic Kingdom rides were. Pirates of the Caribbean. This ride seemed to show up over and over again on everyone's favorite ride list. Pirates of the Caribbean ride is in our top 5 Disney ride as well. It does not matter which theme park you are in, a pirate-themed ride is always going to be a favorite. But when you combine an award-winning movie franchise such as the Pirates of the Caribbean with a ride, you cannot lose. This ride does not have any height restrictions and is a great family ride. The ride is slow, has a few small drops, and is a little dark. In this ride, you get into a slow-moving boat. You will encounter a number of pirate scenes and find yourself looking for the one they call Captain Jack Sparrow. Haunted Mansion. This Magic Kingdom ride is my all-time favorite Disney ride. It's a slow ride, but it's just very cool to me. It also is always in the top 5 of guests we speak to. Our favorite time riding this ride is during the Halloween festivities or during the night. Just like the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, this ride does not have any height or age restrictions. The visual storytelling of the ride is fabulous. Who doesn't love to see ghosts? Just a side note. This ride is a dark ride and does contain some frightening scenes, however, there is no gore and the ghosts are friendly. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. This Disney ride has quickly climbed the charts for most people. If you view some of the updated top Disney rides list on the internet, you will find this one sitting in the top 5 for most. Unlike the top 2 rides we listed above, this one is a roller coaster. Riders will have to be at least 38 inches or taller to ride the mine train. According to Wikipedia, the drop is 39 feet. The length of the ride is 2,000 feet. And the ride will reach speeds of 34 miles per hour. Splash Mountain. Because Florida is hot most of the year, the water rides at Disney are always a popular ride to be on because it is a great opportunity to get a little wet and cool down. Splash Mountain has been a popular ride for years, and it still continues to pop up on most top 5 Disney ride lists. This ride does have size restrictions. You must be 40 inches or tall to ride this ride. It is considered a thrill ride and does have a big drop which is said to be about 52.5 feet. During this drop, you could reach speeds of 45 miles per hour, which is pretty impressive for a boat ride. Peter Pan's Flight. There are a few rides that we could switch out here, but Peter Pan's Flight seemed to be mentioned much more than other rides. This ride is perfect for all ages and has no height or age restrictions. Peter Pan has always been a childhood favorite. This ride gives them the opportunity to participate in that famous story. The animatronics and scene theming is beautiful and your child will love it. I am just going to let you in on a little secret. Do not feel embarrassed if you like it too, it's okay, we all do. So there you have it. Those are the top 5 Disney Magic Kingdom rides that we found people love the most. Disney is filled with a ton of great rides. Disney rides such as Big Thunder Railroad, Space Mountain, Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin, and It's a Small World were some of the other rides people have mentioned in their top ride list. If you like this video, please give it a like. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you can be notified when we release a new video. Until the next time, go have fun at a theme park near you.